Hey guys, this is just a quick call and just for me to say hello to you guys as well. So yeah, I went to multiple stores. I had to go to UPS to take back this closet thing, and then I had to go to TJ Maxx to take back this oil and vinegar thing that I was loving, but it didn't work right. So then after there, I had to go to Walmart to get this because this stuff is amazing. When I have my locks, this stuff will take your locks out. If your hair is not detangled, if your hair is matted or like really kinky and it gets like knotty, Aussie Miracle Moist is ridiculous. Like, I've never seen something work so good, and it makes your hair so soft. I'm sorry, this is not, no, I'm not sorry. Well, for those who may not use things like this, if I need something to detangle, now what I have been doing is just plaiting my hair and flat twists and then doing single twists in the back. It's growing like crazy, but I leave it for like a month and a half, and it gets horrendous. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse it out, take the plaits out, rinse them out, and then just saturate my hair with this and put a bag over it for hours and leave it. When I say you can come back and kind of finger detangle it and your hair is so soft, this stuff, I don't know what, listen, that stuff is amazing. If you know, talk to me in the comments, you know. Now, Rizzy, since she started high school, she wanted to get into wigs. So I bought her some nice wigs that cost. So she's on her second one. So I told her, I said, well, we can add to your collection if your report card is good. Your first round of, progress report is really good. So I promised her and she got it. So she got a new one. The first one was curly, but this one is straight. So I had to go get some developer and her brush from Sally's. And her sister, either me or her sister, is going to show her how to bleach the wig or whatever, because it's a glueless lace. I don't want her to put glue in her hair or anything. So what I do, Rizzy has very long hair, but I want her to keep it growing until she really gets to that point where she's going to take the time to do what needs to be done for it to stay healthy naturally. So she's been begging for a silk press. I might let her do it maybe later on this year or when it gets a little cooler outside, or I might make her wait till next year. I don't know. So what I do is I plait her hair very small and cornrows and make it really flat so she can't tell, you can't tell under the wig, and it's been looking so cute. But her new growth is like this long. So I needed that for her too. So I'm going to rinse her hair, saturate it with that, and let her sit with a cap on and, detangle it, and then wash, condition, and oil it and braid it back up so she can wear her new wig after she's on fall break. So after her break, she'll go, I guess she wants to wear it when she go back to school. So Naya's not here. She's been gone. She's away with friends. So me and Rizzy have been like eating not good. So last night, the night before, my Rizzy was like, Mom, we got to do better. And we do, because y'all know we love them frosted cookies. And I had usually get the little 2-pack, the one that's 3 something, the frosted sugar cookies that's in all the stores. I love those. So those, it's like a toss up between me, Rizzy, and if someone come over, they're like, oh, can I get a cookie? And they go fast. So it could be either mine or either Rizzy have a taste for them that time. Or sometimes, now I don't think Naya don't even like them. So the next time I went to the store, I bought a big one. And because it was bigger, I felt like we just ridiculously ate it. Like in not even 48 hours, the whole big pack, where it had 1, 2, I think 4 rolls of cookies, which is like, I think not even double. It's a little more than double the size of those. We ate them all. But when it was smaller, we was taking our time because we didn't have that many. And we both looked at each other and laughed. She's like, Mom, we got to do better. I said, okay. I'm just going to run the store, get some fruits, and have this in the refrigerator. So I'm going to rinse these off and put them in there and put them in a little basket so they're readily available for us to eat. And what my plan is I want some creamy pasta with my Italian sausage. I think I shared a video on how to make that several years ago, so you can check that out. But I'm going to take, because since it's me and Rizzy, we're going to use 2 of these, and I'm going to make some sausage, fry them, well, onions and peppers, and we're gonna have some fries. But then tomorrow I'm gonna cut those three up real thin, and with onions and peppers and garlic, and then make a cream sauce with some penne pasta. So this is gonna be 2 meals for me and Rizzy. So yeah, I got that. This garlic bread is getting ridiculous, and I forgot to get the dollar. I think it's like $1.25 now from Walmart. The bread that I use for garlic bread. So I end up getting these because these don't taste bad when I put the garlic and Parmesan stuff on them. So. And I also can use these for our sausages. So two-part use for those as well. My mason jar thing, not my mason jar, but my canister that I got from Aldi as a gift that I've been wanting with the cork top. I think I showed y'all that, and I had my lemonade in it. Y'all, why did it bust? Like, why was it like extra ultra thin around the canister part? So I went in Walmart to go get the Aussie, and I said, let me see if they have something. And they had this gallon mason jar. I thought this was so cute because, guys, I literally am either brewing green tea. Right here is my elderberry tea, and I just pour it in my cup and I drink it when I feel like I need to put some elderberry in me. So this is brewing. It got one more day. I like to do it for 2 days. So I always have to pour it from this wide mouth thing, and it's kind of annoying. So what I think I'm going to do is let this be for pickled eggs, because they love the pickled eggs and they go so fast. So I'm gonna make a fresh thing of pickled eggs in here, and I'm gonna transfer the green tea to that mason jar. That way I don't have to, I be spilling this trying to pour it out. It's irritating. The girls don't like to use this because they always spill it, so they don't get to drink the green tea. My green tea is amazing. I take fresh strawberries and some lemon, and I put it in there. I take raw sugar and I make a syrup on the stove to melt it good. Oh, it'd be so good. It'd be so good. So this gonna be my green tea. My new jar is gonna be my green tea thing, and I'm gonna transition this over and make more pickled eggs, so they have a big jar that those can stay in the refrigerator and they can just snack on them. So I can at least probably get like 2 or 3 dozen eggs in here. So I'm gonna go and get about, I should have got that today, get about 3 dozen eggs, boil them, and I'll make a big jar, maybe 2 dozen, and see how many I can get in there, because this allows me to get 10. So what you think? If I can get 10 in there, I'm figuring this is wider and bigger. I think I can probably get almost 3 dozen in here. So I'm gonna do a bigger jar for them for the eggs, and then this will just be another jar that I use for something else. And then I'll have my green tea. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Let me see if it's gonna fit. That was the problem before. Oh, yeah, it ain't even gonna fit. Wait, hold on. Nope. Even if I put it on the side, it's like you have to keep picking it up to get some. Oh my Lord. I have to reevaluate things. I was excited because it's so much smaller, and I just knew it was going to fit. Anywho, so I got some strawberries. We all love ranch, and we're out of it. I just tossed the bottle in the recycling bin, so I got that. I got some Parmesan cheese for my creamy pasta, some peppers, and some grapes. So that's just a quick haul, and also for me to say hello to you guys. And yeah, so I guess, yeah, that's it. Oh, hold up. I'm a little frustrated. So let me figure out if I can get this in my refrigerator somehow. Let me see. I totally feel like this is defeating the purpose, because the purpose of the decanter is so not to keep having to pick up something so heavy, and I am not liking that. Oh my gosh, I'm not liking that. I wish I can get a hole screwed in this maybe and have a thing put here. Like go to a glass company and have them put a thing here so I can put a cork in it. Oh man. Other option is just keeping it out, maybe. Brewing it warm and just keeping it out. And then we just add ice. I don't know. Talk to me in the comments, because I'm frustrated. I'm very frustrated. I really like this. And this was only $9.99. And it's a good quality, and it's a mason. So talk to me in the comments. All right, guys. I will see you guys later. If you have any questions or comments about anything I said in the video, talk to me in the comments, because I will talk back. And yeah, later, gators.